Alright guys, so I'm doing a review on these Three Farmers pea pops. These are roasted, and this is their dill pickle flavor. And they are, if you guys want to read this, pause it. They're vegan, and there's the ingredients. There you go. And we're going to do a quick taste test today. So I've tried their ranch and their sriracha flavored. So we're going to try this one. Let's open this up. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you, I like the aroma already of this one. The aroma is very, very good for the dill. Well, probably one of the best ones I've had. Let's do a quick taste test. Yeah, the dill really comes through in this one, guys. So out of all of the flavors, all three flavors, this is probably my favorite. Yeah, the dill pickle is probably my favorite. Has a nice aroma of dill. The peas themselves are kind of dry, but not bad. But the aroma of dill and the flavor of the dill really comes through. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.